That right there, like right here in front of us, is probably every bit of a foot deep. And then it tapers off. Uh-oh, I got a bite. I'll be daggone if I ain't got a bite, guys. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. He's still hitting it. Oh, come on. Heck no. Is he gonna come back again? He's still messing with it. Oh my goodness. Here we go, guys. I caught a fish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And believe it or not, guys, drum roll please, it's a shiner. It's a shiner. Yeah, y'all can hold him. Let's go.